What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of redeeming codes on Archero 2, a popular mobile action game. By following the steps, you'll be able to unlock rewards and enhance your gaming experience. I'm going to do this on my laptop since my phone does not allow me to record while using a browser because it is restricted. But still, I can guide you since all you need is a browser to redeem your codes on Archero 2. So let's begin. First, open any web browser you want to use, like Google Chrome or Safari browser if you use an iPhone. After you open a browser, click the search bar and type this. As you can see, mine is already on a website. You can pause the video so that you can take time to copy the website just to be sure you are on the exact website. In the website, there is a user ID section, which is where you have to copy your ID from the game. There is a redemption code section, which is where you can type the redeem codes here. And there is a verification code section, which is you just have to copy this verification code below the verification code section. After that, you just have to tap on the redeem button to redeem your codes. By following the steps, you can easily redeem codes in Archero 2 and enjoy the rewards they offered. Remember to keep an eye out for new codes shared by community or an official announcement to maximize your gaming experience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.